Namaste. I'm Dr. Meenal and I'm a senior homeopathic consultant practicing in Pune and in Mumbai with a clinical experience of 16 plus years. And today I'm here to speak on a very common clinical condition, that is acidity. Many times people complains to me that they have burning and pain retrosternally, or they have burning in the throat and also burning in the mouth. And these complaints generally come up when they do not have a good sleep at night, or when they have delayed their meals, or when they have had fried and oily food. This is clinically called as gastroesophageal reflux disease. Now, I would share a small info about this gastroesophageal reflux disease, or GERD as it is shortly known as. Okay. Uh, Now, why does this GERD occur? This occurs basically because a small amount of acid from your stomach refluxes into the throat, and it causes burning in the throat, burning behind the sternum, that is retrosternally, or in the chest, and it also causes burning in the mouth. If the intensity may vary from mild, moderate to severe. Now, if this is a very frequent occurring complaint, then over a period of time it is seen that such people do suffer from recurrent mouth ulcers, and they also have bad breath which do not go away even with the dentist treatment. Okay. So this is GERD. Now, what are the causes of GERD? See, I always feel that GERD is a lifestyle disorder. Why do I call it lifestyle disorder? Because it is because of the amount of stress we take physically and mentally. It is because the kind of food we eat. It is because the timings of food that we eat, and it is because of the sedentary lifestyle. Once I share you the causes, you will understand the connection much more better. Okay. So coming back to the causes, very frequent causes is delay in your food timings, or missing your food uh, on a regular basis, not having a good sleep, no peaceful sleep, eating a lot of outside food, fried, oily, junk food items, having lot of physical and emotional mental stress. Pregnant females in the later months of pregnancy do suffer from this. Also, this commonly occurs in people who have gallstones, because the digestion power is already weakened by the gallstones. It is also very common in someone who suffers from hiatus hernia. So what are the tips that you can follow to keep yourself away from these symptoms? Very important is that you should have a good sleep, a peaceful resting sleep. Follow the food timings. Have regular meals at regular times. I would suggest take short meals at short intervals. Your meals should not have a lot of fried and oily items. Please avoid having outside food and junk food on a regular basis. Take a lot of waters. Include lot of fibrous food in your diet, like salads. Fruits are also welcome. Take around 2 to 3 liters of water. Improve your digestion, motility of your intestine by a good exercise regimen on a daily basis. Very important is try to sort out your emotional problems, and if there is a continuous physical stress, take help from somebody to even solve over it. For pregnancy and gallstones and hiatus hernia, you need to take a regular treatment from the physician so that these sufferings can be reduced. Now, what are the tips that you can follow will also include how you should behave after having your food. I would suggest that please do not lie down immediately after having your meals. At least walk, have a small walk, slow walk for 20 to 25 minutes. It can be either in your house itself, or it can be in your garden, or it can be below your building. anywhere, wherever it is possible and comfortable for you. Avoid sedentary lifestyle. As I said earlier, include some form of exercise in your daily routine. Avoid bending double immediately after eating. It is seen that when you bend double or when you lie down, obviously your stomach, which is totally full, tends to leave certain items in which come up into your throat, and that may cause burning, or it helps the acid to slide down slowly, comfortably in your throat, and sometimes also in your mouth, and that causes burning and that causes this acidity. So avoid bending double, avoid lying down immediately after sleep. Even with these things, if you still suffer from acidity, then I would suggest that you should have a proper treatment. Now, being a homeopathic physician and having been treated lot many patients suffering from such acidity, I would suggest that you should go for homeopathic treatment. Now, how does homeopathy help you? Homeopathy improves your digestive power. It helps to improve the motility of your digestive system, hence improves your daily motions. Also, it helps to absorb the nutrition from your food items. Over a period of time, it will also improve your immunity, and if you have emotional mental stress, then it does help to deal with that too. I believe that whatever tips and whatever explanation that I have given today would definitely be of some help to you. In case you have any questions, do write to me. Do like, share and subscribe to my video so that you will be updated with my new videos on new clinical conditions. I hope you all have liked this video. Thank you and have a nice day. Namaste.